Happy hiking Saturday. We are back at our favorite spot. We were here a couple of weeks ago and we are hiking a couple miles of the Toutle Trail today via the Blue Lake Trail, trying to get to the Loowit Trail. There is still a bit of snow on the trails from what we've read from some of the sites that we visit to look at trail conditions. So we're just going to see as far as we can get today and give you guys an update as we go. We've been hiking for about an hour now. We've made it about 2 miles. We have a great view of Mt St Helens. We are on the Toutle Lake Trail. We've gone up about 700 feet so far. We've got a couple miles more to go, I think, until we hit the snow, but we're gonna see as far as we can get. It's been fun so far. Just a few minutes ago when I said we had a few more miles to snow? No, it's around the corner. And there's a lot of it. It's a really good thing we have awesome hiking boots with some really good traction, because we don't have micro spikes or poles.
Yeah, we saw a couple people with their dog coming through, so we're following their footprints and doggy prints. So
don't do this if you're not experienced.
Yeah. Yep. Or at least go too far.
Yeah. We're prepared for like 5 feet of snow. Who'd have thought?
Play a game called Where's the Trail? Right through there. It's getting deeper. So yeah, we don't got all of our snow supplies, so we're turning around.
I think the snow will be here until like August. There's so much of it.
It is seriously like 10 feet right there.
It's insane.
From the ground.
Yeah.
All the way up. That's like 10 feet, yo. Insane.
made it out of the snow. Yay!
Yep.
That was pretty crazy. Didn't expect to have 10 feet of snow in some places, but it was a super cool experience. Got a good drone shot of the mountain. And now the storm is coming in. So we are headed back to the park and the trailhead.
Gonna rain. Time to go. Go! Emerge from the forest.
In the snow.
It was like we were at the top of a mountain full of snow, and now we're down in these lava field, ancient forest,
dead trees,
desert.
So this area got impacted by the blast of Mt St Helens, correct? That's why the trees are all
Yep.
dead. And it's all Loowit fieldy.
It's probably a ginormous mud flow that came down.
Oh. And created a lahar.
That's what the word I was trying to go for. Lahar.
Lahar.
Lahar. All right, almost back to the car. What? What'd she say?
Where's this?
Beers is this?
Where's this?
After hike beers is this?
Yeah. We did it. We finished.
Back to the beast.
Did about, I think, 6-ish, a little under 6 miles today. It was an awesome hike. Now it's time for stand-up. And versus.
Peace.
Thanks for joining us on today's adventure.
When you hold in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright.